The hydrochaeris, also known as capybara or chigüiro, is an endemic species of Latin America, especially in wetland biomes.
Wetlands are semi-aquatic transitional biomes that has soil and water that's made up its surroundings. They're one of the most diverse biomes of all the world, having many endemic species in its terrain. They're in charge of regulating, filtering, and cleaning water. They also retain and avoid floods, calming tides and rains, keeping rivers at normal levels. The wetlands have perfect environments for chiguros to thrive.
The chigüiro's life depends a lot on their environment. It relies into some abiotic factors that help them to survive. The water part of the wetland is the most important factor that helps chigüiros. It provides them with a place to calm their thirst. Also, it provides them with a place to protect themselves from predators, as chigüiros cannot run long distances because they die. They overheat and have heart attacks. In the water, they also found a safe place where to mate and reproduce.
The temperature and weather benefits the chiguro's evolutionary characteristics. They have developed sweat glands for dry, hot seasons. Their thick, hard fur works on cold nights and cold seasons. Their short extremities help them in both aquatic and terrestrial terrains. Chiguros also depend on biotic factors. They are herbivores and find their source of energy in the surroundings of the aquatic area of the biome. They distribute their diets into grass and some bushes and aquatic plants. After they eat, they defecate on the river and provide some fishes with nutrients to their survival.
Normally in wetlands, chigüiros are hunted down by crocodiles or jaguars. In Colombia, chigüiros are hunted by some birds. The carraco, the gualas, and the crows are the most common predators for chigüiros. They keep the population balanced. If the population of chigüiros was not controlled, they would eat the biome plants as they are great consumers that sometimes can be considered as a plague. The biggest threat for chigüiros are humans. The plague control and hunting have caused these species to be endangered. Their meat is very delicious, but as it is very highly commercialized, they are being hunted down still today.
Los momentos son del más intenso dramatismo para quien no está habituado a este tipo de matanza.
Also, the human had an important impact on chiguiros' population by destroying their environment. On Casanare, 20,000 chiguiros died of thirst because of the destruction of the environment by petroleum exploders. Every 100 meters, you could see 15 or 20 corpses of dead chiguiros, drowned by petroleum or dead by thirst.
Chiguiros are one of the most beautiful and docile species of Colombia, and they are endangered because of us, humans.
Después que el sol se levanta, la carreza blanca vuela sobre la laguna. Se ve el tautaco volar sobre los quemados, se ve el carrao en busca de la guaruna.
Wetlands are semi-aquatic biomes. They are a transitional biome. Hay que se repite la palabra biome. Muy feo. The wetlands have perfect environments for chiguiros to thrive.
If the population of Chiguiros was not balanced, the ecosystem would be in trouble. The